and it was disarmed, or relatively so in comparison with its highly armed neighbors. The immediate strategy and tactics of Hitler's foreign policy therefore were dictated by the hard realities of Germany's weak and isolated position. But, ironically, this situation also provided natural goals which COR responded to his own deepest desires and those of the vast majority of the German people, to get rid of the shackles of Versailles without provoking sanctions, to rearm without risking war. Only when he had achieved these dual short-term goals would he have the freedom and the military power to pursue the long-term diplomacy whose aims and methods he had set down so frankly and in such detail in Mein Kampf. The first thing to do, obviously, was to confound Germany's adversaries in Europe by preaching disarmament and peace and to keep a sharp eye for a weakness in their collective armor. On May 17, 1933, before the Reichstag, collective armor. On May 17, 1933, before the Reichstag, Hitler delivered his peace speech, one of the greatest of his career, a masterpiece of deceptive propaganda that deeply moved the German people and unified them behind him and which made a profound and favorable impression on the outside world. The day before, President Roosevelt had sent a ringing message to the chiefs of state of 44 nations outlining the plans and hopes of the United States for disarmament and peace and calling for the abolition of all offensive weapons, bombers, tanks, and mobile heavy artillery. Hitler was quick to take up the president's challenge and to make the most of it.